happy people? I'm back with another video, and I am super thrilled and excited because YouTube sent me a product, and I was really excited about it because it really made me feel like all my hard work and time that I've been putting into my channel is paying off. But I was a part of their YouTube Partner Perks program, just being a creator. They send out cool products to creators just as a thank you. This was part of their like 20-year anniversary. And a couple of the other perks that I got was they treated me to Chipotle, they treated me to Subway, lunch at Subway, lunch at Chipotle, and then they sent me over this item that I thought was really cool, and so I'm excited to put this out in the nail room. But this is what the package looks like. I'm not going to show the front because it has my address on it, but I want to get it unboxed with you guys here on camera, so I'm going to just open it up like this and then bring it down. You guys, this is from YouTube. This is so cool, you guys. I was just in awe when I got this in the mail. I was just like, oh my god, this is real. Like, thank you all for acknowledging the content creators, big or small, you know. So I don't have the silver plaque button or the gold plaque button, but at least I got this. So yeah, y'all, special shout out to YouTube. Thank you. So let's get this open. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and then I'll show you guys just the 360. It's just a standard white box, doesn't have anything on the back, but I just love the fact that it has YouTube on the front, y'all. This is my life right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, finish unboxing it with you all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And like I said, this was part of their Partner Perks program. So it just says Partner Perks, lights, camera, action. You've scored a limited edition YouTube clip clapperboard made just for valued partners like you. This is one-of-a-kind item. It's our special thank you for all of the hard work and creativity. We'd love to see your new clipperboard in your next video. Show us the magic, the bloopers, and everything in between. So that's really cool. Thank you again, YouTube. I mean, it's been really a life-changing journey to be able to have the opportunity and be blessed enough to be able to create YouTube videos, and I just absolutely love the community that I've created here. So this wouldn't be possible without each and every one of you guys. So thank you all for being a part of my happy family and for making this possible. So let's take a look at our clapperboard that we got, y'all. Okay. Da, da, da. Oh my goodness, how cute is she, y'all? Look what we did. Okay. So yeah, it's the YouTube clapperboard. You can put your channel name on here. You can put the take. You can put the take, the date, and everything in between. But yeah, and then this is how it works. It's official. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's what's included in here. I'll show you guys what the back looks like. I just think this is really cute and adorable. It also comes with the YouTube, what is this, dry erase marker. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and write her out. Now, y'all, I got chicken scratch handwriting, so don't mind it, but this is the channel name. Oops. Date, I'm gonna put today. So yes, y'all, I thank y'all so much for, you know, making all of this possible. I'm hoping that this channel continues to grow. I'm hoping to get to 20,000 subscribers. I'm hoping to get to 15, 20,000, 100,000, all the way up to 1 million subscribers. I'm here for the long run. And again, I thank each and every last one of you guys for your continued love and support. It's absolutely priceless, and it's what keeps me going. So continue to be the great audience that you are, and I'm going to continue to try to bring you all the best content that I can possible. So yeah, thank you, YouTube, for acknowledging me and for sending this over. I'm going to put this on display in my nail room. And yeah, y'all, yeah, that's all I got to say. But just thank y'all so much. Well, let me say this. And yeah, this is motivation to others as well who are on YouTube and they're grinding and they feel like they're not making any progress. Just keep going, keep posting. You'll find your tribe, you'll find your community, and do it for the love of it, right? Like, don't do it for the clout, don't do it for the views, don't do it for the likes and all of that. Just do it because you genuinely enjoy it. You know, I started my YouTube channel doing makeup, then I switched over to doing wig reviews, and then I switched over to doing body care, which all of those things I do still really enjoy and still really like. But when I got into doing nails, that's where I found my groove, that's where I found my tribe, that's where I found my true passion. Even when I'm tired, even when I don't feel like filming or making videos, it's the passion that motivates me and keeps me going. So make sure you guys do something that you're passionate about and that you really enjoy, and that, you know, you can really relate to your audience on. And so yeah, this is, like I said, more motivation to you all. Just keep going, keep grinding, and eventually, you know, you'll find your tribe and you'll find your way on here. So yeah, I hope you all stick around, stay a part of the happy family. I'll continue to bring you all content. I'm always open to new suggestions and ideas. But yeah, with that being said, y'all, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye. And that's a wrap. I love it.